back to Autocar Reviews, where we bring you honest and detailed reviews of the latest cars. Today we're taking a close look at the Mazda CX-30, a compact crossover that blends sporty design, premium feel, and everyday practicality in a very impressive way. Starting with the exterior, the Mazda CX-30 stands out immediately thanks to Mazda's signature Kodo design language. The smooth, flowing body lines give it a clean and modern appearance, while the wide front grille with a chrome outline adds a touch of elegance. Slim LED headlights and sharp daytime running lights create a confident front stance, especially at night. From the side, the sculpted panels and slightly raised ride height give the CX-30 a strong crossover presence without looking bulky. The black cladding around the wheel arches adds a sporty contrast and also protects the body during daily driving. At the rear, the sleek LED taillights and subtle roof spoiler complete the design, making the CX-30 look premium from every angle. Overall, it's a vehicle that looks more expensive than it actually is. When it comes to performance, the Mazda CX-30 is designed for smooth, comfortable, and responsive driving rather than aggressive speed. Most markets offer a 2.0-litre or 2.5-litre petrol engine, delivering balanced power and excellent fuel efficiency. The engine feels refined and quiet, making city driving very pleasant. Acceleration is smooth, and the automatic transmission shifts seamlessly without any noticeable lag. Mazda's precise steering and well-tuned suspension make the CX-30 enjoyable on winding roads while still being comfortable over bumps and rough surfaces. The ride quality is stable, and road noise is kept to a minimum, giving the driver a confident and relaxed driving experience. For those who want extra grip, all-wheel drive is available in some variants, improving traction in rain or light off-road conditions. Inside the cabin, the Mazda CX-30 continues its premium theme, even though we'll keep this part short. The interior feels well built, with soft touch materials and a clean, driver-focused layout. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making long drives easy and fatigue-free. The infotainment system is simple to use, controlled mainly through a rotary dial, which helps reduce distraction while driving. Overall, the interior quality easily competes with more expensive rivals in this segment. Now let's talk about pricing. The Mazda CX-30 is positioned as a premium compact crossover, but its price remains competitive. Depending on the market and trim level, prices usually start in the mid-range compact SUV category and increase with added features like advanced safety systems, larger wheels, and premium interiors. Considering the design, build quality, driving comfort, and reliability Mazda is known for, the CX-30 offers excellent value for money. To sum it up, the Mazda CX-30 is a stylish, well-balanced crossover that delivers strong performance, premium looks, and everyday practicality. If you're looking for a compact SUV that feels refined and enjoyable to drive, the CX-30 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Autocar Reviews, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more detailed car reviews coming your way.